We have an incredible story here. Helmet saves Ukrainian soldier from 2 bullets to the head during close combat in Donetsk region. Just watch. These were probably not direct hits to the helmet, but more likely bullets that ricocheted off it. Nevertheless, without the helmet, the soldier would probably be dead. We can also see the quality of the helmets provided to the army, which is good. If they weren't, the soldier would likely be dead. And we are not seeing this every day. A formation of 7 Ukrainian Leopard 2 A4 tanks. Ukraine has received around 104 Leopard 2 tanks from various countries, including Germany, Poland, Canada, Spain, Norway, and Portugal. These deliveries encompass different variants. Units of the 24th Separate Mechanized Brigade destroyed 4 Russian BMD-4 IFVs while repelling an enemy assault in the area of Chasiv Yar. The soldiers of the 24th Separate Mechanized Brigade, named after King Danilo, stopped another Russian breakthrough attempt in Chasiv Yar. Thanks to the prepared defense lines and coordinated actions of our units, we managed to destroy 4 enemy armored vehicles, the brigade said. In total, the Russian airborne troops involved 6 BMD-4 IFVs in the assault, of which 2 managed to return to their positions. The video shows the movement of a mechanized convoy in the middle of the city, which, after being detected by a drone, begins to be targeted by fire. The fierce fighting for the town of Chasiv Yar began in early April 2024 and has been going on for more than 9 months. During this time, Russian troops managed to advance about 5 kilometers. In mid-July 2024, the enemy managed to completely seize the canal neighborhood on the left bank of the Seversky Donets-Donbass Canal, which divides the city. And in early August, advanced Russian units crossed the channel. Since then, the fighting has been going on in the city itself. Since the late fall of 2024, the enemy has resumed active assaults on the city and is trying to push the Ukrainian defense forces out. According to the soldiers of the 24th Brigade, which is defending the city, in addition to mechanized assaults, the enemy is also using the tactics of small infantry groups. They are trying to infiltrate the rear of the positions, covertly accumulate forces, and attack the Ukrainian defenders. In addition, artillery, aviation, and attack drones are constantly striking at the positions of the Ukrainian defense forces. In early January 2025, the drone operators of the Warthog Battalion of the 24th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine destroyed 4 Russian T-62 tanks in the Bakhmut sector. In addition to the enemy tanks, 3 BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicles were destroyed during the day. Previously, the Warthog Battalion of the 24th Separate Mechanized Brigade destroyed a Russian MTLB tractor with an RBU 6000 Smerch 2 naval MRL using an FPV drone. Russian Z-blogger posted this. I cannot confirm or deny this information, but it's very curious. Below are some details of the results of attacks on a number of facilities in the territory of the Russian Federation, which were not previously reported in the media or were not fully covered. Saratov region, twice, August 1st and January 14th, 2025, the Salut Combinat in Engels was attacked. Salut is an oil storage facility that serves the needs of the local airfield. Damaged, destroyed were 12 tanks with a total volume of 60,000 cubic meters filled with aviation kerosene. Also, on 14th January 2025, the Saratov oil refinery was attacked. The damage here was significantly lower. As a result of the attack, a trestle for pumping oil was damaged, with subsequent product spillage. Voronezh region. On 15th January 2025, an attack was carried out on Voronezh Nefteprodukt in the settlement of Staraya Pokrovka. Damaged, destroyed were 4 tanks with a total volume of 30,000 cubic meters, filled with diesel fuel and gasoline. Kaluga region. On 17th January 2025, an attack was carried out on Kaluga Nefteprodukt in the settlement of Lyudinovo. Damaged, destroyed were 4 tanks with a total volume of 3,700 cubic meters, filled with diesel fuel and gasoline. Who said the Russian world is only for occupied countries? Take Koronevo in the Kursk region, for example. It wasn't captured by Ukraine's defense forces. but the fighting reached its outskirts. Now it's a true embodiment of the Russian world, and the locals have had more than their fill of it.
Детский сад. Прихуярило. Машины стояли новые, блядь. И вот еще одна воронка.
Проведи по дому.
Дом, блядь.
Кросика вот она, блядь, а он говорит, а он на третьем жил. Там окна побил, а там уже ловить уже нету с ним.
Блядь, какое нахуй тут восстановление может быть, да, мужики?
А, не, с кем-то не лопнувший, блядь.
Ну, конечно, фундамент целая, стена целая.
A brief snippet of how the crew of the AS-90 self-propelled gun of the 3rd Assault Brigade celebrated New Year's Eve while on duty. Even under such challenging conditions, these defenders found a moment to celebrate.
Мій позивний Гіря, старший механік водій.
Мій позивний Сван, я командир гармати, головний сержант.
Працюємо на гарматі С-90.
Постріл!
Взагалі, як вам робота з АС-90, якщо порівнювати з іншими гарматами?
Вона набагато точніша, але радянська техніка більш надійніша і легше в ремонті.
Як вам взагалі робота у новорічну ніч?
Та чесно, нічим не відрізняється від того, що було тиждень назад, 2 тижні назад. Навіть снігу нема, навпаки болото.
16:25 з наступаючими святами.
Сімейний час.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.